Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Varun. Good morning, Dinesh. Good morning, Nilesh. Keep the charts clean, guys. Hit the like button. We'll start in 2 minutes. Good morning, Narendra. Sorry, Nagendra. Let's start with daily time frame of gold. Let's mark out the buying bias. One, and the major range liquidity two, जहाँ पे 2930.540 पे है. Right at this point of action, what is the next thing that we mark? The next thing we mark is the previous demand. On the completion of previous demand, what was the retracement point? And allocate the same thing. This was a retracement. With the retracement, market continued the structure. Completion of this, market ने फिर से डबल allocation लेके 150% से rejection लिया था. Right? So what is the next thing that you guys have to be working? क्या आज के दिन में अगर 2930 ब्रेक होता है तो वी कैन लुक फॉर दिस मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन. कल के इवनिंग सेशन में अगर नोटिस करोगे, वी हैड सेड अगर दिस कैंडल क्लोजेस इन ग्रीन, कंटिन्यूटी में रिजेक्शन लेके जाती है, द मार्केट कुड कंटिन्यू एंड क्लोज द सप्लाई. Okay, so this is the range that what the daily time frame is allocating at the current point of range. What is the next thing that we have to be looking here? The next thing we'll be looking at 4 hours. What is 4 hours indicating? 4 hours is currently indicating the movement of the rebuild allocation. मतलब जितना हमारा previous supply यहाँ पे build हुआ है, उतने का movement of allocation यहाँ पे फिर से दिखने को मिली है, correct? So with that, rejection कितना लिया market ने इस point of action पर? Rejection उतना ही लिया जितना हमारा demand में last retracement था supply का. So this was our allocation point. With this allocation point, what do we notice? Did the market closed out on the previous rejection point of retracement? Then continuity and the closure of the supply. अभी ये supply complete होने के बाद what is the next thing that you'll be working on? Market एक range में गया है, correct? एक range में जाने के बाद this was day 1, this was day 2, दिस वाज डे 3 एंड कल के दिन में मूवमेंट अच्छे से अलोकेट करके आज के दिन में एक पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन बिल्ड की है. What is the next thing that you will be working out over here? The next thing that you will be working out is allocating the mathematical numbers. How do you allocate the mathematical numbers? Through the swing high and the swing low on the point of action of the previous rejection candle. And how do you look into that? You look into the circumstances through calculating the major levels. And how is that major levels calculated? So at the current stage, my swing high is the marking of the daily. My swing low is of the retracement point. My allocation is of the high of the retracement point. Let's do the math. So at this point of action, 2930.540 minus 2902.065 is equal to 28,475. 28,475 is our formulative number, right? So what is the next thing that we have to do? Twenty-nine eighteen point three eight five minus 28.475, the formulative number, into the golden ratio 1.618. What is the value that we are getting? The value that we are getting at the current range is of 2872.3. Okay. वो मार्किंग कर लेना थोड़ा. Oh, horizontal ray is not working, right? 72 पे मार्क कर लेना. So at this point of action, what is the next thing that you have to look? क्या हमारा फर्स्ट डिमांड जितना था उतना कंप्लीट यहाँ पे पोस्ट रिजेक्शन हुआ? Yes, we got a completion over here. And what did the market tend to do? Market tend to take the rejection from the same point of action. Post this, you can mark out the movement and we can see the 50% rejection point was allocated. जैसे ही 50 point of allocation हुआ, market ऊपर के लिए move हुई. What is the next plan of action that you will be working on? The next plan of action that you will be working on is the daily time frame, right? In the daily time frame, what is the one thing that you will be allocating? Okay, the first moment of allocation. 4 hours का allocation हमारे पास हो गया है, right? ये हमारा daily time frame का high point है. All good. What is the next step? The next step is looking for a small range allocation, right? Small range allocation कैसे allot करोगे? Through the nearest retracement point. And where is the nearest retracement point? Swing high, swing low, and the retracement point. This was our target on the yesterday's time frame. यहाँ से market rejection लेके continuity में गई थी. Okay. So with this point of action, what is the next thing that you will be looking for? Do we have an inducement at this point of action? Yes. We have an inducement partner 1 and a group here. 1, 2. Right? Post that, what did the market do? Market created a equal lows at this point of action and continued the movement. मार्केट ने कितना मूवमेंट कंटिन्यू किया इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में? जितना हमारा प्रीवियस डिमांड यहाँ पे जनरेट हुआ था सप्लाई का, उतना ही प्लान ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे बिल्ड आउट की थी. ओके. एंड कितना रिजेक्शन लिया था मार्केट ने? जितना ही हमारा इंड्यूसमेंट रेंज का लेआउट था उतना ही मार्केट ने इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में रिजेक्शन लिया. कंटिन्यूटी, डेफिनेटली यस. कौन सा मार्क करोगे? जो हमारा प्रीवियस सप्लाई है वो प्रीवियस सप्लाई को मार्क आउट करोगे, राइट? सो विद दिस मार्किंग, इज दिस अ राइट पॉइंट और इज दिस अ रॉन्ग पॉइंट, राइट? डू वी हैव अ रिट्रेसमेंट इन बिटवीन, राइट? सो इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में हमने एक लाइन ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे लिया था. सेकेंड लाइन ऑफ एक्शन हम जो इक्वल लो से जो जनरेट हुआ था वो पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन को अलोकेट करेंगे, राइट? सो वंस यू अलोकेट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन, जो कि आप अगर नोटिस कर रहे हो, व्हाट इज द लेंथ, जितना मूवमेंट है उतना ही मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन अगर आप देखोगे, exactly market took a second retracement from the same point of action. With that action point, where did the market tend to close? Market tend to close at the same range जहां पे market कल के दिन में इवनिंग सेशन में जाके क्लोज हुई थी. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन? Anyone can say? What are you working on next? Yes, that's right. We'll look for the volume. So what is the volume of 1 hour trying to say? 1 hour volume at the current range is saying from the fifth. What is the plan of action that we have got? Plan of action number one. Fifth movement of action, wick creation was towards the short. Sixth plan of action, the wick creation was towards the short. Okay, with the high volumes, right? Through the iceberg. Yes, Anupam, you are also right. But MC number अब हम अभी नहीं देखेंगे. First volume allocate करेंगे, then we will allocate the MC numbers. Okay. Post that, where is the next volume? Seventh. Seventh, what do you notice? The pressure of wick creation was towards the short, right? Then the last pressure was over here with the volume. Do we notice a wick creation at this point? This was the major iceberg order. Where was the order placed? Right? Post that, आज के दिन में अगर notice कर रहे हो, which is yesterday's New York PM session, where was the highest volume closure? The highest volume closure was at the point of action where the market is currently in a POI range, right? अभी इस point of action में जाने के बाद, what is the next thing that we'll do? We will calculate the math. How will we be doing that? This is our swing low. This is our swing high. This is our retracement point, right? Let's do the math at the same point of action. 28,880.310. 2900.515 minus 28,880.310. What is the formulative number? Formulative number is 20.205, right? 20.205. Retracement point क्या है यहाँ पे? Retracement point is 2892.815. Direction bullish, so we will add 20.205 into 1.618. Where is the market tend to move at? The market is tend to move at 29.25. So do we have a plan of action that will be looked at? Yes. So we will have the marking at 29.25, right? So once the 29.25 is being marked, what is the next thing that we'll be looking at? The next thing we'll be working on is the MC edge 1, right? MC edge 1 कहाँ से allocate करोगे आप? The MC edge 1 you will allocate it through the retracement point of action. Where is the retracement point of action? The retracement point of action is over here, right? Do the math on this point of action through the square root formula, right? Square root formula apply करो इस point of action में क्या क्या numbers आता है? 2931 आती है, 2947 आती है. Do the math and say the numbers in the comments, guys. Okay. So उस point of action होने के बाद come down to 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes indicating? The 30 minutes is saying the market is in the POI range. Do we have a proper inducement over here? No, we don't have a proper inducement at this range. So this will be considered as point of interest where people could like to have a game changing allocations. Game changing allocations जब करोगे, what is the first thing that you have to be working on? The first thing you will be working on is the circumstances of what kind of orders could get placed. First action plan, retailers. Second action plan, iceberg orders. Third action plan, liquidity hunt. Fourth action plan, volume. इसमें हमें जो मेजर चीज क्या है, क्या चाहिए हमें, जो मेजर चीज है इसमें, मेजर चीज हमें जो चाहिए वो है फर्स्ट रिटेलर्स का एसएल, सेकंड आइसबर्ग ऑर्डर, राइट? डू वी नोटिस one over here, one over here, right, and another one over here in this point of range? Yeah. Why I am allocating, showing you the perspective is, मार्केट में इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में क्या किया, डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे IF is sitting, but इस point of action में this was a proper rejection continuity. With the rejection continuity, what did the retailers do at this point of action? Tend to sit towards the down. Definitely हमने भी यहाँ पे short ही किया था, okay, कल के दिन में. बाद में what was the plan of action changed? The plan of action changed because we got an retracement point of an inducement, right? So जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे बैठे थे, what did the market do? Market tend to hunt in 15 minutes. Let me showcase you that. Then we'll come back again. Right? This was a zone. Post this zone, what did the market do? How much was the rejection point? Rejection point जो हमारा inducement range था, उतना ही rejection point के range में थी. अगर notice करोगे, this was our rejection point of action. That was the zone market was in. Right, entirely. So in this perspective, what is the next one plan of action that you'll be working on? The one plan of action that we'll be working on is this one, this inducement candle, right? So this inducement candle was allocated. With that, we worked on the range action of the 2.0, right? Inducement build हुई. Inducement build होने के बाद 1 hour में क्या दिखा हमें? Inducement, post inducement, market took a break, retraced, and continued, right? That was the reason we allocated the CTL, which is TCL, 10% execution payout, then sitting in the right direction, right? Partner one, partner two, break, retrace, continue. Inducement one followed हुआ. अब इस point of action में हमें next क्या देखना है? आज के दिन में what is the plan of action that you will be working on? At this range, अगर हमें inducement 1 build होते हुए दिखती है, scenario 1, not inducement 1, अगर scenario 1 इस point of action में build होते हुए दिखती है, what is the next step that we'll be working on? The next step will be working on an execution through a point of action of a break. How will that be looking like? जितना हमारा previous supply generation complete होता है, उतना ही movement of action आपको दिखने को मिलेगी. So in this scenario, this was our supply. Did the supply complete at this range? Right? Where is the market taking rejection from? From the same point of action. The only thing currently that we have to be working on is on the plan of action of the mathematical numbers. Right? यहाँ पे 2.2 generate होने दो for a low range. जैसे ही 2.2 generate होगा, plan of action उस point of action से till the MC number we can look for and hold. ओके अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में अगर बिल्ड होता है, व्हाट इज द करंट सिनेरियो के हिसाब से कौन सा नंबर्स को अलोकेट करोगे? व्हिच आर द करंट सिनेरियो नंबर्स दैट यू विल वर्क ऑन? द करंट सिनेरियो नंबर्स दैट यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन इज दिस स्विंग हाई, दिस स्विंग लो, and this retracement point. Okay, so let's do the math, guys. Anyone please share the mathematical number 1.0 का 1 hour के हिसाब से? अनुपम, वरुण, दिनेश, Nilesh. Okay. So at this point of action, 15 minutes, 2921.310 minus, what is the retracement point? 2915.800. What is the formulative number? 5.51. Right? Retracement कितना लिया है वो allocation देखो, retracement कितना हुआ है 5.51. Where is the retracement value? 2919.755. Direction is bearish, minus 5.51 into 1.618. Where is the market taking rejection from? The first point of action rejection was taken from here, right? Where is the intermediate ratio? Where is the next liquidity allocated at this point? The next liquidity is allocated at 2919.755 minus 5.51 into the intermediate ratio to 2908. This is the major liquidity area of one of the reassurance point of view बोलते हैं उसे, right? Reassurance point of view मतलब जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे allocate करके बैठे हैं ना, उनको बाहर करने का point of action ये होती है, okay? इस point of action से आपको movement allocation दिखने को मिलती है फिर से, right? Only one thing that you will be working out over here. What is that? Waiting patiently at the levels through the mathematical numbers in the direction with the inducement range following the supply and demand. Okay, so with that plan of action, the execution will be taken in place, not prior to that. Any doubts, guys? Gold? Nope, sir. All clear. Nope, all good. Okay, so that is the plan of action that we'll be looking for at the current circumstances. So next, BTC. Here in order to kick excuse me, here in order to kick retailers out before going up is first take sell side SLs, take buy side SL, then go up, right? Nahi. Right? Let me come back. What do you see over here? Wick creations identify करो. Market में circulate हो रहा है supply या demand, first वो identify करो. In this scenario, what do you notice? Slow and steadily ऊपर गई है, correct? One shot में गया नहीं, right? जब slow and steadily जाती है, what does the market do? Market tends to take a slow movement. चलो अभी चलते हैं, अभी चलते हैं, अभी चलते हैं, अभी चलते हैं, चलते हैं. One shot of action में इधर सब जो बैठ रहे हैं ना, इस point of action में, इस point of action में, they are all retailers, right? They are not sitting. Okay, what is their risk to reward? Risk to reward यहाँ पे दिख रहा है तुम्हें? 20 pips is the Asian session risk to reward. अगर तुम यहाँ पे बैठ रहे हो 29.15 पे लॉन्ग के तरफ, एसएल कहाँ पे? 29.10. 50 pips in Asian session is not a right number, right? So उन्हें हंट करेगा. लॉन्ग के तरफ जो पीओए रेंज में जो बैठ रहे उन्हें हंट करेगा, इस रेंज ऑफ एक्शन में जो लॉन्ग के तरफ, राइट? एंड शॉर्ट की तरफ किसको हंट करेगा? शॉर्ट की तरफ जितने लोग भी यहाँ पे जो बैठे हैं ना, इन्हें हंट कर चुका है ऑलरेडी. ओके, द मेजर हंटिंग शुड हैपन हियर, राइट? क्यों यहाँ पे? ओके, पुल बैक कैंडल है, पुल बैक ब्रेक हुआ है. ब्रेक होने के बाद जो जो लोग एंट्री होते हैं ना, दैट इज वेयर द नेक्स्ट मेजर आइसबर्ग्स कम टू द प्ले, नॉट प्रायर टू दैट. ओके, so we want the majority of the winning movement to be in our direction. Got it, Nilesh? सो सेम चीज कल के दिन में अगर नोटिस करोगे बीटीसी में, व्हाई वी वर नॉट रेडी टू टेक द लॉन्ग साइड ट्रेड इन दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन. ये जिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में था मार्केट, यहाँ पे हमने लॉन्ग क्यों नहीं किए थे? बिकॉज वी वांटेड, बिफोर मूविंग वी वांटेड ए ड्रॉप, करेक्ट? बिफोर मूविंग वी वांटेड ए ड्रॉप. सो क्या क्या मार्केट यहाँ पे सब लोगों को पैरेलल में बिठाया, पैरेलल चैनल में बिठाया, ट्रेंड लाइन पे बिठाया, सब लोगों को बिठाया. मार्केट गई, वी एग्जीक्यूटेड ए ट्रेड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन पोस्ट द हाई वॉल्यूम रेंज, राइट? ये एग्जैक्टली मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस का 2.0 का इंटरमीडिएट रेशियो 2 था, उसी पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से मार्केट ने रिजेक्शन लेके कंटिन्यू की. जो ये मॉर्निंग से लेके शाम तक जितना मूवमेंट हुआ है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 घंटे में कंप्लीट किया, करेक्ट? So to understand that, what is the next step we guys have to work on? Come down to BTC daily time frame. Understanding of scenarios. Where is the major buyers allocated? 1. Right? Where is the internal liquidity point? 2. Where is the current liquidity taken from? 3. Right? At this point of action, कितना demand था हमारा इस point of action में? क्या हमारा इंड्यूसमेंट रेंज होने के बाद वो कंप्लीशन क्रिएट की थी, राइट? पोस्ट कंप्लीशन मार्केट हैड मूव्ड ऑन ए डायरेक्शन टुवर्ड्स द लॉन्ग. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू गाइस हैव टू बी फोकसिंग ऑन? द वन थिंग यू गाइस विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन इज कमिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ 4 hours. What is 4 hours trying to do? First demand, completion of the thing 1, demand multiplied, 50% rejection point, right? And where did the next movement get allocated through? This candle, point of action till the inducement range. From this point, again the multiplied version of the demand post the inducement range. Partner 1, partner 2, the market had circulated and completed the supply. With the supply, with the previous rejection point, market आज के दिन में it has sustained at this point of action, and yesterday the market had given a move towards the long. Now, ये सब इतना अच्छे से हो गया, रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट को भी अलोकेट कर लेंगे, राइट? रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट नंबर 1 कितना आया है? ब्रेक, कंटिन्यू, allocate 50%, right? Now here inducement range का allocation कैसे करोगे? Through the major range of reversal, no? कितना बड़ा allocation point, कितना आपको रिट्रेस हुआ यहाँ पे मार्केट में, जितना हमें उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में allocation दिखी है, उतना ही प्लान ऑफ एक्शन पे यहाँ पे मार्केट allocate करके चलिए. So now we have the 4 hours number clear. मार्केट अभी 4 hours का 1.618 का रेंज में है. This one and this allocation point, how do we look into the next spectrum? The next spectrum is to be looked in the consideration of allocating the high value index, right? High value index in the sense not indices, index, जहाँ पे major volume allocation दिखने को मिलती है. So इस point of action में कहाँ पे दिखा हमको major volume allocation? 4 hours की point of action पे. What do you notice with this red candle? किस तरफ का wick creation था? Buyer's side, right? What was this number? This was our mathematical golden ratio, rejection point of 4 hours. Post the second confirmation, what is the one thing that you will be allocating over here? The major allocations will come into the play at the 1 hour range. Good morning, Mali Babu sir. Okay, in the 1 hour circumstances, what did the market tend to do at this point of action? The market tend to hunt down the players. How? Locate the plan of action number 1, right? The plan of action 1 was taken under consideration. What did the market do? Market tend to get an allocating point. बट इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में हमारा टारगेट तो हिट हो गया था, बट कल के सर्कमस्टांसेस में ये हिट नहीं हुआ था. क्यों? वी वर वेटिंग फॉर ए रिजेक्शन. गाइस, डिड वी गेट ए रिजेक्शन इन द इवनिंग सेशन जैसे हमें चाहिए था? नीलेश, वरुण, दिनेश. यस, वी गॉट द रिजेक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. उसके बाद मार्केट आज के दिन में कहाँ पे है? जितना हमारा मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन जितना कंप्लीट हुआ था उसी पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से मार्केट नीचे गिरा. ओके, सो दिस मैथमेटिकल नंबर हाउ विल यू गेट रेक्टिफाइड एट 1 आवर में डालोगे? 1 आवर में डालोगे तो डायरेक्टली टारगेट्स डायरेक्टली आपको 80,000 88,000 के पास दिखाएगा. 88,000, सॉरी. सो अभी व्हाट इज the next thing that market did? The next plan of action that you have to be looking over here is in the range. जो हमें 4 hours में वॉल्यूम जो दिखा रहा है बायर्स पोजीशन है, राइट? 1 आवर में क्या दिखाया हमें? यहाँ पे सेलर्स पोजीशन है, right? In the seller's position perspective, what did the market tend to do? Definitely mathematical number तक आई, हमने भी ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट किया, बट यहाँ पे रिटेलर्स पर्सपेक्टिव के हिसाब से देखोगे तो दिस इज जस्ट वन कैंडल ऑफ अलोकेशन व्हाट वाज बीन प्रिजर्व्ड एट, राइट? व्हाट इज द टारगेट ऑफ अलोकेशन दैट मार्केट्स टेंड टू हंट? लोगों को बिठाएगा 200 पॉइंट्स रिटेलर्स देखते हैं, 100 पॉइंट्स रिटेलर्स देखते हैं, रनिंग कैंडल्स में एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, right? What did the market do? We'll come down to 15 minutes and look into that perspective again. Okay, so 1 hour तक clear है. Now we will come down to the plan of action of 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, what do you notice? फर्स्ट इंडिकेशन हमें कहाँ पे मिला? मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा जैसे ही प्लान ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे बिल्ड हुई थी, करेक्ट? विद दिस प्लान ऑफ एक्शन वी गॉट एन इंडिकेशन, रिजेक्शन आएगा, रिजेक्शन के साथ मार्केट ऊपर जाएगी. 1 आवर के हिसाब से वॉल्यूम्स क्या क्या था? दिस वॉज द हाइएस्ट वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. उसके बाजू वाला मत देखो क्योंकि वो लाइव पे चल रहा था उस समय पे, राइट? सो मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट 1, ये पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन 1 थी हमारी. 1, 2, रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट 3. ओके, सो लेट्स डू द फॉर्मुलेटिव नंबर्स एंड चेक कल के इवनिंग सेशन में क्या हुआ था. 1 पॉइंट, 2 पॉइंट, retracement point. Let's do this formulative number first. So the numbers looks like 82,092.34 minus 81,305.93. What is the formulative number that we have got? 786.41. What is the next thing that we'll be working on over here? Retracement point 82,071. 82,0. Sorry, my bad. 81 912. Yeah. What is the retracement point that we have? 82, 81, 9. एक second. No? 82. This is 81. This is done. Retracement 81, 912. Yeah. 81, 912.80 minus, because direction was bearish. With the direction of bearish, what did the market do? What is the formulative number? 786.41 into 1.618. This was our intermediate ratio. So what did the first plan of action market did? Market took a rejection at this point, right? This was the first plan of action. And from this point of action, what is the second plan of action that you will be looking? Here, if you allocate your point of action to the lowest point, and if you take to the highest point of a retracement, what do you see? Where did the market tend to take a rejection from? Formulative number of 82050 minus 80765.36. What is it? 1.1284.64, right? So retracement point, what is the retracement point saying at this range? The retracement point is 22,440. 82,440.20 minus 1284.64 into 1.618. Sorry, point नहीं आया, my bad. 82, 521 minus 1284.64 into 1.618. Where is the rejection point of action 1 taken? The rejection point of action 1 was taken at this point of range, जहाँ पे हमें wick create हुए दिखिए, right? This was the first plan of action of intermediate ratio. And where was the second plan of action that market took a rejection from? 82.5.21 minus 1284.64 into 2, the intermediate ratio. Okay. So with this plan of action, what is the next thing that we'll be working on? Sorry, number galat hua. 82.225.21 minus 1284.61 into 2. Where is the rejection point indicating? 97,665. Let's allocate the number 97,665. Market ने rejection किस point of angle से लेके गई थी? Right? So that's how simple the understanding of math should be. इंडिकेशन हुआ, ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट हुआ, रिटेलर्स को हंट किया, हंट करके मार्केट की प्लान ऑफ एक्शन आज के दिन ऊपर की तरफ. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में व्हाट इज द वन थिंग दैट यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन? रिजेक्शन तो मिला हमें, कंफर्मेशन कंप्लीट हुई, कहाँ तक आएगा मार्केट? जितना हमारा फर्स्ट सप्लाई ऑफ एक्शन होगी उतना ही मार्केट कंटिन्यूटी में प्राइस अलॉकेट करेगी. ओके. So इस continuity के बाद what is the next plan of action that we'll be working on? Do we have an allocation point? Yes, definitely we do have an allocation point. With this allocation point, what is the first thing that you will be looking for? The first rejection point that you will be looking for is an indication perspective of a major allocation. राइट. ये रिट्रेसमेंट कितना लिया? जितना ये पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन का ग्रीन कैंडल अलोकेट हुई थी उतना ही मार्केट यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन लिया. Okay, so this was our major demand inducement range where the market was building. Yes, definitely that was the major demand where the market was working on. So what is the next step that you will be working on? the MC 2.2, 1, 2, and 3. So at this point of action, where is market exactly taking the rejection from? So हमारा swing है आके 81,533.49 minus 97,058. What is the formulative number that we have got? The formulative number that we have got is 2475.49, right? With this plan of action, what is the next thing we'll do? Retracement point 80,609.96. What is the direction? Bullish. Plus, what is the formulative number? 2475.49 into 1.618. What is the number that we have got? The number we have got is of 84,616. कुछ गलत किया क्या? नहीं, सही किया. 84,616. Okay. This is the plan of action that we have got. 84,616. Okay. With that plan of action, one allocation point is been allocated. This is through the movement of the recent one. Let's come down to the ratio of the swing low, the swing high, and the retracement point over here. Okay. So what will be the numbers that will be concluded at this point of range? At this point of range, we have got two indication point of actions which will be taken under the consideration of the movement analysis. Right? Movement analysis में first हमेशा जो swing होती है नीचे से पकड़ा जाता है, correct? So at this point of action, our major high point is at 79,650 minus 76,606 is equal to 3044. 3044 allocated through the retracement point. Right? When you allocate it through the retracement point, what is the number that you are getting? 979100. Direction bullish plus formulative number 3044 into 1.618. What is the number that we are getting? 84025. 84025. This is the number of allocations that we'll be looking at. Okay. So this is how you allocate the directions of the mathematical concepts. At this point, what is the next thing that you'll be looking at? मार्केट नीचे गिर रहा है, सब लोग ट्रेड में हैं, कहाँ तक? जितना हमारा फर्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन, उतने का मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन यहाँ पे दिखने को मिलेगी. दैट विल बी योर नेक्स्ट स्पेक्ट्रम मूव. 50% से एक छोटा सा रिजेक्शन आज के लिए दिखने को मिलेगा. दिस इज ओनली फॉर टुडे गाइस, because candles are in a slow move, so you can see one small rejection from the 50% range. Okay, so BTC clear guys? Yep, no doubts. Hit the like button. किसी को भी कोई भी डाउट है, please do ask. Clear sir. Okay, so I'm just keeping my charts clean. I'm cleaning out all the mathematical numbers. This is the rejection point. Okay, cool. Volume allocation, yes, done. Bias allocation done. Chart clean. Level point of action 600 and okay. So this is gold. BTC is done. Let's come down to Indian session. Anupam, all clear? ये कल का दिन का निफ्टी का टारगेट हिट हो गया है guys. So let's start fresh again for Indian sessions guys. बैंक निफ्टी का कल का टारगेट आज हिट होने वाला है गाइस. MTSL will be at 48,000. ओके, सो कौन सा प्लान ऑफ एक्शन हम देख रहे थे कल के दिन में इंडियन सेशंस में? द स्विंग हाई वाज दिस, swing low was this, retracement point was this. Okay, so the plan of action was looked into the circumstances of the mathematical numbers, which is 48024 minus 47707.80. What is the formulative number that we have got? The formulative number is 322.2. The retracement value is 47,758.051 plus 322.2 as our formulative number. With this plan of action, what is the golden ratio? 1.618. What is the target that we have? The target we are having is 48,279. So where is the market currently working at? The market is working at the same range of the level. Okay. So at this point of action, what is the next thing that we'll be working on? The next thing we'll be working on is the golden ratio ho gaya, intermediate ratio. In intermediate ratio, what is the one thing that will change the ratio from golden to intermediate? At this point of action, what is the one thing that you will be working on at the current stage? You will be moving your retracement point of action 48, 47, 758.05 into 32, sorry, 47,758.05 plus 322.2 into intermediate ratio 2, 48,402. This is our levels that we have got for today's allocation point. Okay. Coming down to Nifty, Nifty का target hit हो चुकी है. What is the next plan of action? क्या मार्केट हमारा उससे पहले बैंक निफ्टी में ही क्या हमारा जितना मार्केट अलोकेशन पॉइंट था यहाँ पे उतना मूवमेंट अलोकेट किया है? यस. अगर मूवमेंट अलोकेट किया है, व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन दैट यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन? Doubling the supply. With the doubling of supply, where is the market currently taking rejection from? The 50% of the surplus quantity. At this point, what is the next thing that you will be working on? One small rejection. With that rejection, continuity will be the current plan of action. Okay, so this is for Bank Nifty. Coming down to Nifty at the current range, what is the thing that you will be working out here? One thing, allocate the reversal point of actions. With that reversal point of actions, we will work on the numbers. So at this current stage, Nifty may, what is our low point? The low point is this, the high point is this, the retracement point is this. With that, the target was hit. कल के दिन. Post that, what is the next point of action? Point 1, point 2, and where is the retracement point? Retracement point number 3. Scenario is only one thing. Do the math, allocate the surplus. Supply and demand. At this point of action, 22,484.15 minus 22,321.80. Excuse me. What is the formulative number? 162.35. The retracement value is 22,417.05 plus 162.35 into 1.618. What is the value that we have got? 82,679. That will be our next plan of action. So this will be our next plan of action. And we'll be looking for a moment of allocation through the previous supply. This is our supply 1. With the supply 1, this is our supply 2, right? With that supply, point of action number 1. Point of action number 2. Video clear, audio clear, video lag even after refresh. गाइस एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लेना अगर लैग हो रहा है तो अभी ठीक हो गया ठीक है गुड मॉर्निंग विशाल वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम एंड वेलकम टू द टीटीएस फैमिली आज पहला दिन है आपका चैनल पर कीप लर्निंग कीप ग्रोइंग गाइस कोई भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो हिट द लाइक बटन and Indian sessions, these are the numbers that we'll be following at the current path of actions. With this, the executions will be taken under the considerations till the target in Banknifty at 48,269 and 48,394. Nifty 28,678 will be the current plan of action that we'll be looking at. Okay? Any doubts in Indian sessions? Please do ask. शॉर्ट की तरफ आज के दिन तभी देखेंगे क्लोजर हमें एक स्विंग हाई एंड स्विंग लो दिखने को मिलने दो उसके साथ ही नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन हम अलोकेट करके चलने वाले हैं उससे पहले नहीं ठीक है let the market create a swing high and low with that plan of action only we'll look for the short not prior to that Guys, all the new members, welcome to the stream. Do ask whatever the doubts you guys are having. Could clear it out for you guys. हंस जी जो शॉर्ट में ट्रेड में बैठे हो बीटीसी का वो ट्रेड का एमटीएसएल स्ट्रांग रखो ओके 1100 points running mtsl at 1800 points 'Ali Babu sir, any doubts? Good morning Ambika. किसी को भी कोई भी डाउट्स आ रहा है प्लीज डू आस्क all the new members कोई भी डाउट है regards to the market you will have the better understanding once you allocate the back testing, forward testing, and live testing. Okay? Don't trade in FOMO. Running candles may trades execute mat karo. Follow the levels. Use the mathematical concepts. Through that only the level of allocations will be looked into the perspectives. Not prior to that. Nilesh, hope the stream is working fine now for you. BTC TP1 hit, almost another 100 points left. With that plan of action, the next movement could be allocated in the directions. जो लोग ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे हैं बैक टेस्ट करो, फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करते वक्त नोट्स बनाओ, नोट्स के साथ डाउट्स पूछो, सो दैट यू विल गेट द क्लैरिटी. यस. Hit the like button. All the new members, जितने लोगों को भी कोई भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो. If you're learning from the stream and the channel, if you're enjoying the content, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. विशाल, कोई भी डाउट आता है पूछ लेना. Anupam, any doubts? सर, एंट्री प्लान कहाँ से करते हैं? Where do you trade, Vishal? What charts do you trade in? टाइम फ्रेम कितना होगा एंट्री का? क्रिप्टो फोरेक्स 15 मिनट्स, इंडियन सेशंस 5 मिनट्स एग्जीक्यूशन. एंट्री इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल में फॉलो करता है, right? But in Nifty we don't follow the inducement for options, we follow the inducement only for futures. Options में अगर trade of execution देखना है तो follow the supply and demand range, right? ये हमारा supply range है, ये हमारा demand range है. उस range के through ही markets will give you an allocation points. One candle confirmation, execute the trade with the closure of the candles. ओके, इंड्यूसमेंट का वीडियो देख लेना, एंट्री प्लान समझ में आ जाएगा, हाउ द एग्जीक्यूशन इज लुक्ड एट. ओके, निफ्टी में यस, ऑप्शंस ट्रेड करते हो तो सप्लाई एंड डिमांड फॉलो करो, मैथमेटिकल्स नंबर कर लेना, राइट? जहां पे अलोकेशन पॉइंट मिलता है, एक कैंडल क्लोजर ऑन द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सप्लाई और द डिमांड, राइट? विद दैट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन सेकेंड कैंडल से एग्जीक्यूशन होती है आपकी. I will show you a live example as well, right? जैसे ही plan of action build होता है, I'll showcase you that. BTC में MTSL strong रखो everyone. Follow the MTSL points. गलत मार्किंग कर रहे हो दिनेश, स्टार्टिंग से करो. MC1 गलत है. MC1 15 मिनट में नहीं, 1 घंटे में लगाता है. MC2 15 मिनट में लगाता है. MC2 is allocated in 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, guys. And MC1 only at the reversal areas. You can look for that reversal areas either in 1 hour or in 4 hours. Calculations perspective for 1 hour, calculations perspective for mathematical edge is 0.375, 0.5 and 0.618. Can you please plot the allocations and explain why that particular allocation was considered, as it will be same for other time frames like 1 hour and 15 minutes? हाँ नीलेश, वर्षा ने भेजा था, right? Give me some time, no? I'll explain it to you. ट्रेड अलोकेशन मीन्स ट्रेड्स चल रही है, थोड़ा वेट कर लेना प्लीज. I mean the process will be the same for other time frames. Which one यार? एक सेकेंड चेक करता हूँ. ये जो फोटो है नीलेश, what time frame it is? 4 hours or what? Sorry, BTC. Where you have done the wrong previous supply turn demand. Previous supply, sir, I think the order of message messed up. नहीं, that's totally fine, right? So the previous supply turn demand जो आपने फोटो भेजा हो ना, वो previous supply turn demand नहीं convert हुआ है. That is as conversion as the previous demand. How much? Right? जो हमारा point of action यहाँ पे है, that is the plan of action, right? इधर जितना है उतना यहाँ पे मूवमेंट अलोकेट हुआ था. Post completion of that, what is the next plan of action that we'll do? We will add the demand. 50% will be a rejection point of action. What did the market do over here? So वो सप्लाई नहीं है, वो डिमांड को कैलकुलेट करना है तुम्हें उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन. BTC 4 hours March 4th का जो आपने प्रीवियस सप्लाई कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिमांड करके मार्क किया ना, दैट वाज रॉन्ग. ठीक है. Got confused with respective time frame and formula. MC1 is looked at 1 hour, that is a reversal area identifications. MC2 4 hours 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, Dinesh. Hit the like button, guys. All the new members, welcome to the family. कोई भी doubt है पूछो. If you're not understanding the way of trading, do look into the videos of Mathematical Edge 1.0 and 2.0 for gold. 2.0 inducement volumes with the POI range is the point of actions that you have to be following through the identifications of the other markets. Good morning, Tosif. सर जी, मुझे बेसिक से सीखना है. आपका ऑल्गोरिदम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, प्लीज बताओ. आप किस चार्ट पे ट्रेड करते हो? Which chart do you trade in? True support resistance. ट्रू सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम में वर्क होता है? 15 minutes. विशाल. Execution perspective and Nifty, you look into the 5 minutes time frame, right? Allocation, sustainability, you can look into the time frames of 15 minutes. I use, okay, gold पे trade करते हो, right? Use mathematical edge 1.0, then you use mathematical edge 2.0, right? Do the back testing, do the forward testing, do the live execution. With that perspective, what is the next thing that you will be working on? The next thing you will be working on in understanding the inducement range and supply and demand ka videos dekho, right? Same live test, back test, forward test, opposite mein. First back test karo. With back testing, come down to forward testing. Forward testing will be done in Go chart. Post that, you will look into the live testings. Then come down to inducement plus volumes. Inducement plus volumes, you can identify it through the back testing first. Once you identified it through the back testing, do it in the forward testing in Go chart. Once you complete the understanding in forward testing, then come down to the live testing and execute the trades. कोई भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो regards to when you are doing the back testing and forward testing. Start writing the notes, generals लिखना शुरू करो, doubts को लिखना शुरू करो, so that you don't find the issues and you don't forget about what you have missed. Okay? Thank you very much, sir. You're welcome. Do write down the doubts and do ask. Okay? Order rejection. I am in the right directions. मैथमेटिकल नंबर्स डालने के समय पे राइट डायरेक्शन ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करने की क्या जरूरत है? स्क्रीनिंग कंप्लीट करो पहला. Why are you not completing the screening? कितना लॉट से पंच किया दिखाओ. सर क्वांटिटी ऐड किया हो. ओके. गाइस पहला पूरा स्क्रीनिंग कंप्लीट करो सब लोग. वेयर इज योर मैथमेटिकल नंबर्स फॉर द लॉन्ग दिनेश? वेयर इज योर सप्लाई एंड डिमांड अलोकेशन ऑफ 1 आवर? दैट इज अ रॉन्ग मैथमेटिकल नंबर करके बोला. करेक्ट. डू इट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच ऑफ 1 आवर. MC1 गलत लगाया हो आप. चेंज करो उसे. On the break and sustainability, next target is 81,200 for BTC. Hit the like button, guys. सर इंडियन सेशंस में ट्रेड अलोकेट हुआ. बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी में दोनों में भी हुआ है आज. TP1 of Bank Nifty is at 48,269. निफ्टी प्राइस एक्शन शुरू हो गई है बट अभी तक कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिली है. जितने लोग स्मॉल कैपिटल से ट्रेड करते हैं, वन मोर कैंडल क्लोजर को वेट करके एग्जीक्यूट कर लेना है. ओके. गुड मॉर्निंग फैजल. बैंक निफ्टी entered at 48,97. 48,269 is your TP1. 48,394 is your TP2. Okay. Good morning, Samant. through the previous demand allocation, अगर market bearish है through the previous supply, अगर market bullish है through the previous demand. In this scenario, the retracement point is as per the previous supply. If it breaks, it will continue till 81,140. सबका MTSL 22, sorry, सबका MTSL 82,230 पे रख लेना. System trailing at 800 points. The trading secret boy sniper की गोली. The trading secret गोली sniper की गोली. Nice one. Tosif. Nice one, Tosif. Sir, towards up MC2 target are correct. Yes, 3.0, 0.375, 0.5, 0.618. Yeah, अभी सही है. So in downtrend, we mark the range of all the green candles and use it to mark retracements. Yes, that's right, Samath. Targets will be decided through the mathematical numbers with the second confirmation of the supply and demand. Vishal. In this scenario, what we had marked the mathematical number. With the mathematical number, we had marked the supplies on towards the direction. अगर बैंक निफ्टी नोटिस कर रहे हो, this is the plan of action. यहाँ तक मार्केट आएगा. निफ्टी में रिजेक्शन ले रहा था, रिजेक्शन का पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन जितना फर्स्ट डिमांड था उतना ही कंप्लीशन उसके साथ कंटिन्यूटी में आ रही है. So that's how you allocate from where you have to look for an entry. Good morning, Mahesh. Next low considered in 1 hour before the inducement is 2878.435 and calculated 0.618 is 2945. The next low considered in 1 hour before 1 hour inducement. Inducement is at 2878. 2878. Okay. And the calculated 0.618 is 2945. That's right. But there is one more range of action that you will be working on. That's right. What is that, Mahesh? 0.375 and then 0.5. Allocate the levels according to that. Okay. You have missed out on 0.375 and 0.5. Please allocate that levels as well. Good morning, Rakesh. How are you? How is your work going on? Pressure come ho gaya? If you don't mind, what is your name? Nitesh. New subscriber by. Thank you, Trillion55. Whatever doubts you guys, whatever doubt you guys are having, please do ask all the new members. No, we don't have any group for discussions. लाइव में डिस्कस कर लीजिए. ग्रुप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. Good morning, Venkat. Sir, please repeat MC1 and MC2. MC1 is used only in 1 hour and 4 hours time frame to identify the reversal areas in gold. Right, in this scenario, this is the MC 1.2832. यहाँ से स्क्वायर रूट फॉर्मूला लगा लेना. उधर से आपका फर्स्ट टारगेट आके 2931 आएगी, सेकेंड टारगेट आके 2947 आएगी. राइट, MC2 4 आवर्स में लगाओ एवरी रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट. स्विंग लो, स्विंग हाई, रिट्रेसमेंट कंप्लीट हुआ, स्विंग लो, स्विंग हाई, रिट्रेसमेंट. Post that, come down to 1 hour. In that 1 hour range, what is the next things that you will be looking at? The downtrend move, swing high, swing low, retracement point. With that retracement point, you allocate the trades in the directions according to the movement plan of actions. Okay, Venkat, please follow that levels. नहीं, bot ने कोई मैसेज नहीं निकाला है. Sorry sir, the bot removed this message before the early one. Okay, cool. Okay, Venkat, follow that levels. Yes, sir. 0.375 has 2919. 0.5 has 2932 achieved. Yes. The remaining is 0.618. 2908 and 2906 are the bearish targets with MC2. Is that right? Yes, that's right. फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग, बैक टेस्टिंग में जो भी डाउट्स आ रहा है पूछ लेना सभी लोग. Sir, I'm a working professional. Have to go. Bye, sir. See you again. Take care. Have a great day. Can you please go back to BTC chart yesterday, 15 minutes time frame, 8 p.m. What time frame? UTC or Indian? Yesterday's chart. You are in yesterday only. Yesterday, आप ही है. Sir, in today's gold analysis, you mentioned since the market is in the POI, then the game changer is required for the market to move up further, which means targeting retailers SL liquidity iceberg. Retailers SL के जगह पे iceberg generate होगा ना? That's where the major allocations will be seen in the playing considerations. Good, sir. I will put more time trading this week. Samarth, what is the time frame? UTC or Kolkata? Indian timing. Indian. Yesterday's chart, 8 p.m. Can you please go back to BTC chart yesterday, 15 minutes time frame, 8 p.m. Can you show me the retracement there? This is the retracement point of action, correct? So where did the retracement took? The movement was towards the bearish. The previous retracement point of the candle is of this. This will be the allocation which will get represented over here. Right? This movement is of mathematical number closure. Mathematical number closure यहाँ पे हुआ with this point of action. What is the next thing that you will be working on? You will be working on the consideration of the movement. Scenario inducement scenario 2 के साथ market ने movement दिया था. Okay. And volume also you mentioned the zone of 2896 which has major liquidity of retailers which could be targeted. Yes, that's right, Mahesh. And volume you also mentioned the zone of 2896 which has major liquidity of retailers which could be targeted. That's right. Yes. दूसरे टाइम पे खा बका आता है लाइट्स जब मेजरली चाहिए होता है तब गजम बिजी आते हैं जितने भी लोग बीटीसी में ट्रेड में हैं, एमटीएसएल स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलो करो, कीप द एमटीएसएल स्ट्रॉन्ग। मली बाबू सर ड्राइंग्स नहीं है, प्लीज शेयर द ड्राइंग्स ऑफ टुडेस अलोकेशन पॉइंट। यहाँ पे एक ड्राइंग था, ड्राइंग कहाँ गया? समर्थ, होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट। कहाँ से रिजेक्शन आया था बीटीसी में? On gold, one MC2 calculation gave us the target of 2872 for 1.618 level, but it reversed from 2880. So do we still consider that target, or just much tolerance we need to consider? What is the time frame that you're looking at? Gold 1 hour. 1 hour, anything between 3 to 4 points, right? Kabhi kabhi 6 points. Let me check. Wait. MC1 target क्या था वो? What was the MC1 target, Nilesh, at that point of action? सॉरी टाइम फ्रेम गलत है। बैक टेस्ट करते वक्त डाउट्स को लिखो, डाउट आता है तो पूछो। वैसे बहुत लेट हो गया। कोई बात नहीं है, स्क्रीनिंग कर ले। MC1 0.375 2889। दिनेश हो क्या स्ट्रीम पे? लंदन सेशन का वॉल्यूम आ रहा है। सर कहाँ पे ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है? BTC में हुआ है, इंडियन सेशन में हुआ है। गोल्ड नॉटेड। रेंज से बाहर निकलने दो, तब तक नहीं। रेंज से मतलब एशियन सेशन की रेंज से बाहर निकल। 1.05 2876। ओके। BTC candle is moving C side। ऑप्शंस में क्यों ट्रेड कर रहे हो? ऑप्शंस में ट्रेड मत करो। सर जी आपका लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग की टाइमिंग क्या क्या सर? आप लोग कब लाइव आते हो? सो मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock से 3 hours to 4 hours, इवनिंग 5 o'clock से 3 hours to 4 hours। दैट इज द टाइमिंग। ओके तो सर Excuse me. Sorry, the system was lagging. Yes, we had put the levels, no, Venkat. वही लेवल से तो रिजेक्शन ले रहा है. अगर ब्रेक होता है तब जाके 2081 140 का टारगेट था. नेक्स्ट TP2, TP1 हिट हो चुकी है. अगर ऊपर के लिए जाना है, इंड्यूसमेंट क्रिएट करना है. पार्टनर 1 पार्टनर 2 इज डन, राइट. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? अगर ऊपर जाना है तो और एक आ जाने दो, उसके बाद रिजेक्शन के साथ इंड्यूसमेंट 1 2 3 क्रिएट होके जाने दो. 1 2 3 में कोई भी एक क्रिएट होके जाने दो. इंड्यूसमेंट सिनेरियो 2 यहाँ पे बिल्ड हुआ ही नहीं है, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में विल नॉट बी लुकिंग फॉर इंड्यूसमेंट सिनेरियो 2. नीलेश, इंड्यूसमेंट सिनेरियो 2 में कंफ्यूजन है, क्लियर हो गया? सर जी, जी सर, नोटेड. थैंक यू. Sir, what is the London opening time as per the New York time zone? Consider it from 1 o'clock. Okay? 1 to 1:15. नहीं चाहिए यार. 'No worries, Mahesh. ये हर एक चीज के लिए ना बहुत रुलाता है ट्रेडिंग में. $4,397. बैक टेक्सटिंग करते वक्त कोई भी डाउट आ रहा है पूछो. डोंट हेजिटेट. Do you do option sellings as well? Yes, we do option sellings as well in the range bound market. What did you draw just now? लास्ट ईयर में कितना मूवमेंट दिया था इस दिन पे वो देख रहा था. वो मूवमेंट कंप्लीशन हमारा कल ही हो गया है. 4,379 पॉइंट्स वाज द मूवमेंट, राइट? कल के दिन में ही हो गया वो. I'm not expecting the same moment today. I'm expecting something different today. गोल्ड में अभी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ यार. लेट द मार्केट गिव एन इंडिकेशन फर्स्ट. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. लाइव टेस्ट में बैक टेस्टिंग करते रहो, अलर्ट लगाओ, ऑल टेप प्रेस करके. Post alert allocations, you can look into the next circumstances which will be looked into the surfaces of the forward testing and back testing. You weren't there for a long time. Okay. And Rakesh, back test करते वक्त forward testing भी allocate करना, so that you can understand why was that movement generated, from which point of action. थर्टी फोर्टी पिप्स के रेंज में है मार्केट. नो नो इंटरेस्ट एट ऑल. डोंट शो द इंटरेस्ट. मार्केट इंडिकेशन देगा तभी ही, उससे पहले नहीं. नीचे से ऊपर, ऊपर से नीचे मत करना रिटेलर्स के जैसे. Hello. Yes, it's clear now. No FOMO tradings at all. Wait. Completely avoid on no executions of the trade in the opposite directions, looking into the perspectives. जब से लेव आए कितना पॉइंट में है मार्केट? एक रेंज में है ना. And this range is of not even 6 points. It's just in 3 points to 4 points range. तो ट्रेड ही नहीं करना है मेरे को इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन. सर इथेरियम देख लो एक बार. सेम बीटीसी को फॉलो करते हुए जा रहा है. मैथमेटिकल एरर 2 पे है अभी. Anyone has any doubts, please do ask. Sir, what is happening? Only one trade so far in BTC. Say gold to move. बोलेंगे बोलेंगे. सबका MTSL लेके आके 22,400 पे रख देना. सिस्टम ट्रेलिंग 22,450 BTC का. ठीक है. वरुण LTD में एक मैसेज भेजा, चेक कर ले. Hey, good morning, Abhi. Can I connect with you? Definitely speak with the team in Telegram or WhatsApp. They will help you out. Add-on quantities on the break. Why not Nifty Bank Nifty on live? It's on the live only, no? It's also running. It's here. Who said we are not working? We are working on that as well. Shura. Break हो चुका है. Only one thing that we want right now. The range of today's live session has given a break. What is the next thing that we'll be working out over here? Let the market create an inducement to and continue. Else, let the market create an inducement continue. Okay. These are the next two plan of actions. Scenario 2 में allocation point यहाँ से एक retracement point आने दो. Then next plan of action will be looked under the consideration. My view was upside, but Bank Nifty is around the day low now. Around the day low matlab apply the math over here. Considering this is a swing high, this is your swing low, and this is your retracement point, right? The market will come down till 47,758 and 47,701. You're a scalper, is it, Abhi? Finally, guys. 81,400 is the TP2, guys. No, no, not trend-based Fibonacci extensions. We are using the mathematical numbers. The formulative action point will be swing high. Just for an example, I'll showcase you one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is your retracement point. This is your low point. And this is your high point. Okay. Do the mathematical number through the formulations through subtracting the ratio. In this scenario, what will you be doing? 48,215.85 minus 48,064.95. What is the formulative number that you have got? The formulative number that you have got is 150.9. At 150.9, what is the next point of action that you will be looking at? Retracement value. Direction bearish. into 1.618, the golden ratio. What is the target we are getting? 47,933. Market could come to that point of action to hunt the liquidity. Okay. So we are following the math over here. Sir, in gold, what made you say that the market may not reverse from here but take a rejection and go up only? The market has taken out retailers' liquidity at the top. Yes. Because inducement to scenario, sorry, inducement scenario 2 काम किया ना वहाँ पे. Okay. If you notice at the current stage, what has the market done? जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे पुल बैक में बैठे थे, what was the first plan action? पुल बैक में यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे थे उनको बाहर किया. अभी जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे बाई पे बैठे हैं ना, उनको बाहर करेगा with this much of retracement point. Right? जैसे ही वो retracement होगा, next plan of action. What do you notice? Inducement scenario 2 में क्या build होता है? Market doesn't create an point of action. Break, sustain, next candle with the rejection, continuity. Right? So यहाँ पे plan of action यहाँ पे आने दो, inducement build करने दो उसके साथ. No direct entry. Not scalper, sir. I trade in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, Abhi. Nice. I am new to this. Okay. Right. Market will tend to come down till that number. So currently, our plan of action is towards the long of 48 to 269 and 48 394. But the liquidity wasn't grabbed enough, so hence the market has come down because Nifty is also in the moment of the bearish scenario. If the demand constructions needs to play in the important role, मतलब जितना movement of allocation होता है ना, Nifty मेरा entry यहाँ पे है इस point of action पे. Now the market has been in the bearish trend, correct? So here what we need? We need a proper inducement closure to continue. राइट. बैंक निफ्टी रेडी है जाने के लिए ऊपर, बट निफ्टी के वजह से वो नीचे आ रही है बिकॉज कंपोनेंट्स इन निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी similarly work to an extent of 45 to 60% because the major components like HDFC, ICICI all has a major role in Nifty as well. So the market is taking a certain gap range allocation with the price action. Okay. So this trade, if the market sustains at the point of 47,933, 47,958, at that point of action, we will add another round. From that point of action to 48,269, we will hold out the trade. Okay. Always remember, follow the risk management. Position sizing is very much important. देना है तो छोटा दो, hold बड़ा करो. Nice, I'm new to this. I'm doing futures only. Cost is very high, around 300 rupees charges for one lot execution. So if you're playing a role with a positioning of learning perspective, that's totally fine, right? For first, Abhi, go into the video of Mathematical 2.0, right? Understand the concept. Post that, work on futures inducement. There is a video on inducement. With the inducement, work on the liquidity inducement area plus volume, right? Do the back testing. With back testing, do the forward testing using Go chart, right? Post, you get the doubts, note it down, write it, ask in the live. Then you can execute the same relay in the live charts. Okay. So once you do with that, then your next plan of action gets into the consideration of executing the trades. Right? Till then, wait, learn, understand why, then you start executing the trades, not prior to that. Okay? Understand the volume level allocations at 1 hour, 15 minutes inducement range, right? 15 minutes breakthrough points. With that breakthrough points, your execution will be in 5 minutes. And you are working on futures, better work on swing trades, right? For the better allocation point of view and the better RRR, risk to reward. Okay. No direct entries, no FOMO entries. Work on the patience level, trade fearlessly with the risk managements. उसके साथ control on your emotions, जीतने से खुशी मनाना, हारने से दुखी हो जाना is not the quality of the traders. Okay. Hit the like button, guys. All the new members, जो भी doubts है पूछो, right? Work on the comprehensive methods of understanding the markets first, right? Do the back testing, then the forward testing, then the live testing, then the executions. Don't hurry in the markets. ये जितना आसान तरीके से पैसे देता है, फोमो में पेशेंस लेस ट्रेड करोगे, विदाउट अ माइंडसेट ट्रेड करोगे, विदाउट अ प्रॉपर रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड विन रेट रेशियो लेके नहीं चलोगे, उतना ही आसान तरीके से आपका अकाउंट भी खाली करता है. ओके, सो लर्न, write down the notes when you are learning, ask the doubts, post that you will get a confirmation, post that you execute the trades, not prior to that. Am I clear over here, everyone? I've lost money, so initial trauma is there. Okay. Hit the like button. All the new subscribers, sorry, all the new watchers, like, share, and subscribe. भूल जाओ. अभी forget about it. Focus on learning now. Seeing the scalping people in YouTube with huge quantities getting FOMO. 'Work on the swing trading, guys. Work on intraday. Work on holding positions. That's how that's how you guys will learn. Mahesh, hope you understood why we had said don't execute the trades in FOMO. 40 पॉइंट्स की 40 पिप्स की रेंज में आप खेलोगे तो दे बैठोगे. As a retailer, will this trading for living sustain for future? कड़वी है बट सच्चाई है, बताता हूँ. Always remember, retailers' perspective of coming into the markets. Easy money. Without learning, they come into the markets to gamble. What will market do at this point? Market will take whatever the savings they have. Once the saving is taken, it will put you in trauma. Market डर बिठाएगा. जैसे ही market ने डर बिठाया, what is the next thing market will do to you guys? It will show the moments when you don't have the money. Then it will create a FOMO, right? You will think, your mindset will think, okay, that was my bad time. Because of that, I lost the money. Now the market is moving, so I will execute the trades. यहाँ पे retailers next point of action में करते हैं लोन, उधारी लेंगे किसी से भी, बैंक से हो या किसी से भी हो, ओके, लेंगे या एवरी मंथ जितना भी सैलरी आ रहा है यहाँ पे डालेंगे. अभी यहाँ पे सहारा किसका लेंगे, राइट? डेफिनेटली देयर आर पीपल हु आर टीचिंग इन यूट्यूब एज वेल, बट जो लाइव ट्रेड्स बताते हैं 1 मिनट में 5 मिनट्स में लगा के, शिट ऊपर चला गया, गाइस निकाल दो, शॉर्ट कर दो, गाइस शॉर्ट से निकल जाओ, लॉन्ग कर दो, आप वहां पे पैसे लगाओगे. सो उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में 1 मिनट 5 मिनट्स में आपको समझ में आ गया, फिर से मनी इज गॉन, द सेविंग्स इज गॉन. अभी व्हाट इज द मेजर स्टेप? यू हैव स्टक इनटू द मार्केट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में आएगा कि लाइक वेयर विल आई लर्न. You guys start buying courses. I'm not saying it's not good, it's good. But the right course, right learning is what you need. Support and resistance, ये में सब courses करके भेज रहे, then it's a fraud. Okay? तो courses में आप पैसे लगाओगे, सीखोगे. Okay. अभी ये हमारा support है, ये हमारा resistance है, right? Directly break हो गया. Prospective retail mindset, execution. Execute करोगे. डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे मार्केट हंट करेगा. ओके, एक बार सीख रहा हो, गया पैसा, दैट्स टोटली फाइन. सेकेंड, फिर से एग्जीक्यूट करोगे ट्रेंड लाइन डाल के. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में ट्रेंड लाइन है, ट्रेंड लाइन देख के बोलोगे ओके ऊपर गया है, नेक्स्ट कैंडल रिजेक्शन आएगा, उसके साथ मैं लॉन्ग करूंगा. मार्केट यहाँ पे लॉन्ग होगी. With this long perspective, market will come down to a point of retracement and it will come down. पुल बैक भी फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है, right? So what will market do at this point? उम्मीद हटा देगा मार्केट से तुम्हारा कि लाइक इधर पैसा नहीं बनता है. जैसे ये पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन होता है, you will see one or the other YouTube channel who is making money. Definitely, there are people who are teaching good as well, no doubt, right? So, in that perspective, you go into their channels, they see only execution is happening, learning is happening. Why didn't I do before? So, guys will start learning from this point of action. It will take 4 months for them to understand. If your mindset is good, if your understanding of the concepts is good, if your understanding of structure is good, there are multiple things, right? MMC hai, people are following that. There are some people who are following smart money concepts, right? सब follow कर रहे एक ही ना, एक ही chat को follow कर रहे हैं. Execution points are at different range. That's it, right? So in that perspective, what is the one thing you will do? ये पहले ही क्यों नहीं मैंने सीखा? Why didn't I observe the markets? Why did I come into gambling stage? Why did I lose the money? Okay. जैसे ही वो खत्म होता है 4 months, at this point of time, you will have a fear to execute the trades. Your analysis will be right. You know, from this point of action, market will take a rejection. But because of the past trauma of this much, you will not tend to execute the trades. Right? Once you get this point of action, what is the next thing? After a year point of time, you will build a confidence to execute the trade. Right? In that year period of time, what will market do? Market will change the algorithm. Market will try to work on the sustainability. The structure is changed. Again, you will start losing for few months. So at this point of action, the second year, you will have that courage. Okay. You have to go with the flow with the right directions, not executing the trades in the FOMO, wait patience fully. Allocate the trades in the directions. Look into the sector managements and allocate the trades. That's when you guys will start understanding, and that's when you guys will be start giving small lessons and hold the trades. So this is the procedure of current retailers what I have seen from last 3 years. This is what they have done. Not one or two. We have done the survey, we have got it, we have worked on it, right? We have the forms on it, how they are working. So to understand that perspective, this is what they go through. So always remember learning is important. Post learning, understanding the market is important. Post understanding, execution in the live markets is important. With the execution, then the main important things comes into the play is, kya I am ready? No sir, no FOMO trades for last 1 week. Now, are you looking for 150% retracement? No sir, I'm not looking for anything. Mahesh, wait. I'm saying you let the market get out of the range of this 15 minutes. The range is not more than 40 pips. Don't execute the trades in FOMO. Yes, definitely. When there is a scenario of right inducement scenario one or two, definitely we'll look for an entry. जैसे BTC में entry हुआ है, वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी लेंगे, but with the right price of action. That's it. So we'll wait for that inducement to generate. With that inducement, we'll look for an execution. Not directly. Hit the like button, guys. Hope you get the point, Abhi. Yes, definitely there are good scalpers, right? Definitely there are many kind of players who are doing good, no doubt about it. But is it sustainable for a longer period of time? First, is it creating you a financial freedom? Second, is the plan of action working out for your entire journey? थर्ड हो गया. फोर्थ वन में आके ये होता है, currently you guys are doing, at one stage you will be having a family, right? You want to spend time with your family. Definitely एक या दो ट्रेड तब कर ही सकते हो, no problem. But when the money is making when you're sleeping, that's when you're earning. एक बात याद रख लेना, till the time you're not making the money while you're in a sleep, you're living a life on a day-to-day basis spectrums. Can I go through your playlist for learnings? Definitely, yeah. You can. आप ओनली बीटी गोल्ड बिटकॉइन करते हैं भाई, राइट? नहीं, वी डू इंडियन सेशंस एज वेल. इंडियन सेशंस नहीं करते तो एग्जीक्यूशन क्यों मैं यहाँ पे दिखाऊंगा? We do trade in Indian sessions, but we don't trade in intraday in Indian sessions. We hold the trades in Indian sessions. फोमो में ना ट्रेड हम देते हैं, ना हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, right? There are people who are watching, they are doing back testings, they are doing forward testings. जो भी doubt आते they ask, right? Because they should understand what is going on in the markets. Post that only you will be able to understand how the market works. नो डाउट, अगर किसी के भी लाइव में बैठ रहे हो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, इट्स योर चॉइस, राइट? लाइव में बैठ के क्या कर रहे हो? फर्स्ट चीज, सीख रहे हो या सिर्फ आप चार्ट देख रहे हो, जो बोल रहा है वो सुन रहे हो? अगर एग्जीक्यूशन पे हो, एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे कर रहा है वो समझो पहले. किसी भी लाइव स्ट्रीम हो, टेक माई स्ट्रीम ओनली. व्हाई इज ही एग्जीक्यूटिंग दिस ट्रेड, right? Did the back testing is done? Did the forward testing is done? Did the live testing is done? Is the execution provided on basis of live testing, right? Is the videos having any live example proof in it, right? Always remember, कोई भी नया strategy, नया indicators जो भी बेच रहा है ना, एक चीज याद रखना, in the moment, is he showing the live trade executions as well? If yes, definitely you can stick with him, right? And work with him, not an issue. Let it be anyone. Till the time he's showing you how it's been done, how you have to be looked into the circumstances, do it, no doubt at all. Okay? So you're doing futures only? No, we do futures and options as well. Options only in a trending market, right? If it's in the bound range, we do sell. Okay? A trillion 55, आपका नाम क्या है? Mr. Trillion 55. Okay, always remember these things, guys. आप काम कर रहे थे ना तो सिर्फ. ओके, फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग इज यूज ए गो चार्ट. आपको एक ऐप मिलता है गो चार्ट करके, राइट? वेबसाइट भी है, उसमें जाइए, फ्री है, कुछ भी पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं है. राइट, जो भी सीख रहे हो ना, सो उस गो चार्ट में जो भी चार्ट यू वर्क ऑन गोल्ड, राइट, तो सिर्फ गो इन गो चार्ट, अप्लाई XAU USD, यू विल गेट ए चार्ट। कितना पुराना हो सकता है उतना पुराना चाहिए, राइट। दिस स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड ऑल आर ऑफ दिस ईयर कोई भी डेट पे जाओ, रिप्ले प्ले करो, विद द रिप्ले प्लेइंग डू द फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग, राइट। कैंडल्स चल रही है, ओके, इंड्यूसमेंट जनरेट हुआ, इंड्यूसमेंट जनरेट होने के बाद मूवमेंट हुई, कौन सा इंड्यूसमेंट फॉलो किया, उसके साथ मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स वर्क कर रहा है, ओके, कर रहा है, राइट। लाइक दैट यू डू द फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग टिल द टाइम यू कम डाउन टू द लाइव, टिल द 12th, राइट। उसमें कितना डाउट्स आता है लिखो, राइट। उस डाउट्स लिखने के बाद व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ सेक्शंस, आस्क, ओके, क्लियर नहीं हुआ आस्क, क्लियर नहीं हुआ आस्क, right? Once, till the time you get sustained into the circumstances of the markets, you ask. Once you are done with that, then you come to the next circumstances of doing the same thing in the life. Okay, so अभी आपने बैक टेस्ट किया है, फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट हो गया, फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट में ओके यू अंडरस्टूड, ओके मार्केट ऐसे 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 मूव होता है बिकॉज फॉरवर्डिंग में है, करेक्ट, द मार्केट वर्क्स इन अ फॉरवर्डिंग स्टेट। अभी लाइव टेस्टिंग में एक एक कैंडल 5 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 30 मिनट्स, 1 आवर एक एक कैंडल लेता है बनाने में। सो यहाँ पे आपका टेस्ट होगा पेशेंस। उसके साथ क्या आपने इंड्यूसमेंट सही फॉलो किया, क्या आपने फोमो दिखाया, क्या आप डायरेक्शन में बैठे हो, ओके, दिस आर द सर्कमस्टांसेस दैट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन। देन कम्स द रियल गेम ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन। एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे होगा, फॉलोइंग द राइट रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियोज, फॉलोइंग द राइट विन रेट्स, फॉलोइंग द राइट एग्जीक्यूशन पॉइंट्स। ओके, मिस हो गया यार, इधर एंट्री करना था बट मार्केट ऊपर चला गया, मैं यहाँ पे ले लेता हूँ, कैसे भी डायरेक्शन में ही है। नो, रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड फॉलो होना ही है, पोजीशन साइजिंग फॉलो होना ही है, राइट। यू हैव टू कीप दिस ऑल थिंग्स इन द माइंड while you are in the trades, okay। Okay, Patel. Gujarat. Great, man. सर वर्क में मन नहीं लग रहा, मैनेजर से गलती, मैनेजर से गाली खा के आया हूँ, ओके। 1550 प्लस 550 पॉइंट्स रनिंग, ओके। जी समझ आ गया, थैंक यू वेरी मच, ग्रेट। सर शांत क्यों हो गए? How did you learn all this? By understanding the charts. Simple layman language में बोल रहा हूँ. Okay? The journey is way too big. Guys, stream will be there for next 15 minutes. Whatever the doubts you have, please do ask. And all the new members, doubts लिख दो, evening session में clear कर दूंगा. If you're liking the stream, if you're learning from it, if you're getting educated through it, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. Sir, you have written an amazing book. Great, thank you. Great, Ambika. कब पढ़ा? कब आया? परसों. Okay, nice. Sir, when is your next book releasing? March end में आएगा next book. Mali Babu sir, how is the back testing going on? Yes. Great. Waiting for that book. Thank you. TP2 hit होने के लिए 150 points more, guys. In fees down by 5.52%. परसों के दिन से क्या मजेदार गिर रहा है मार्केट। नहीं नहीं, निफ्टी नहीं, इन्फी, INFY। Which book? I have written two books so far. So one is about crypto, another one is about the unbreakable mindset to the journey of success. नहीं, 150 पॉइंट्स आने दो यार। एक तो मजेदार आने दो। Doing, sir, there is any new learning today, sir? Yes. Yes, Mali Babu, sir, new learning today. These are the two books, right? You can put my name, you will get the books in Amazon. It's published, it's already sold. Sir, BTC short was initiated after the retracement candle break at 8:30 and continuation. 8:30 कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम पे देख रहे हो? इंडियन टाइम फ्रेम पे देख रहे हो? 8:30. This was in the live stream, right? So Nilesh, if you notice, there was a message sent at 8:15. Why was that message allocated at that point of time? Because inducement 2 was followed here. How? Right? Inducement scenario 2, plotting 1. 1 is here. Market took a rejection. Third candle execution. Here was our next entry plan. Right? Suppose that we gave you an execution as per the 1 hour. Where was the entry executed? At this point of action, you had got an entry. Right? Here to the allocation point of spectrum. Hence, the trade is running with 1500 points. Yes, this was a live trade what we had given through the mathematical numbers and the distribution point of view. And rejection was as per the previous supply completion. अगर नोटिस करोगे मार्केट कहाँ से रिजेक्शन लिया था बीटीसी में, प्रीवियस जो हमारा सप्लाई अलॉकेट हुआ था उस सप्लाई के साथ रिजेक्शन मिली थी, उस रिजेक्शन के साथ कंटिन्यूटी में मार्केट नीचे के लिए आया था. Wow, nice, it is published or not published. Wow, thank you पटेल. सर आपका दूसरा सेशन चल रहा है क्या? हाँ, यस. 15 Indian. Okay, got it. Okay, guys, make sure that you don't execute the trades in FOMO, no allocations in perspective of fear, greed. Follow the risk management, trade fearlessly through the risk management, no emotion tradings. जीतने से खुशी मनाना, स्टॉप लॉस हिट होने से दुखी मनाना इज नॉट ए क्वालिटी ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स. फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट करो, बैक टेस्ट करो, लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन टेस्टिंग करो, उसके बाद ट्रेड्स को एग्जीक्यूट करो, नॉट प्रायर टू दैट. Am I clear over here? So with this perspective, आज का मॉर्निंग स्ट्रीम क्लोज करते हैं. मिलते हैं शाम पे. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. मैथमेटिकल नंबर 1.618 हिट हो चुकी है. इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में इंड्यूसमेंट क्रिएट होता है. इस रेंज ऑफ एक्शन में बीट गोल्ड में वी कैन लुक फॉर एन प्राइस ऑफ एक्शन नॉट प्रायर टू दैट. ओके, यहाँ पे मार्केट बनने दो, इंड्यूसमेंट जनरेट करने दो, उसके बाद ही कंटिन्यूटी. एल्स मार्केट जो प्रीवियस अलोकेशन ऑफ सप्लाई है, ये सप्लाई को फॉलो करने दो, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूटी. These are the only two price actions that you will work on at the current stage. Majorly हमें चाहिए था liquidity ऊपर जाने के लिए for the target of 29.25. For that we need a inducement built at the current stage. Okay. So take care. Don't overtrade. No FOMO tradings. मिलते हैं शाम पे. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye bye. Nitesh signing off.